Vanakkam friends, this 15,916 to 15 levels seems to be a very tough hurdle for our Indian markets to cross. Even last week, it tried its best, but it failed yet again, and Nifty made a high of 15,914.2 on Tuesday and then dropped from there. And in Bank Nifty as well, we have expected that it could test 35,500 and march towards 36,000 levels. It made a high of 35,000 to 811 on Thursday and thereafter it dropped. This red color line which I have drawn is the 20 SMA. On both the scenarios, be it Nifty and Bank Nifty, it has tested the 20 moving average. On Bank Nifty part, it has closed above the 20 moving average, whereas on Nifty part, it has closed below the 20 moving average. At the same time, there is a doji kind of formation of on Nifty on Friday, which is a indecisive signal or probably a reversal signal we can consider. If you must have observed the SGX Nifty values which was closed on Friday, it is about almost 67 to 69 points in green zone, which is almost near 15,800 again. Now, if we are closing above that 15,800 levels again from Monday onwards, maybe on Monday or Tuesday, there is yet another possibility that we will retest the earlier highs, and we can expect further up move if and only we close above 15,916 for at least in a 30 minutes time frame. Only then we will be able to expect a good up move in Nifty, or else we will face selling once again at 15,915 levels. Okay, now let us see what are all the levels for next week. This is the next week, previous week chart, which I have converted into 30 minutes. Once again, I have drawn a Fibonacci kind of retracement. This red line is the 20 moving average. Anything below 20 moving average is considered as weak. But with the gap up on Monday, we will be able to take out this 20 moving average. And then thereafter, we are expected to march towards this highs again. Okay. As I said earlier, it will be a tough time for Nifty to cross this level, because usually it needs to cross that attempt on cross that earlier highs on the third attempt, but this time it has not done it. It has even tested that particular level and failed on the third attempt. So now whenever it takes out that level, it will have a powerful rally on the upside. Why? Because it has already failed 3 times. There will be many shots which will be created, assuming that it will again fail for the fourth or fifth time whenever it occurs, but it takes out and sustain over there. It will see a powerful short covering rally beyond that, and within no time we will be able to see 16,000 and 16,200 levels. Okay, but that is a remote possibility as of present situation. Probably during next week, the results, quarterly results of many companies are coming, and that may trigger this kind of up move. Okay, now we will move on to the Bank Nifty chart. Same way I have drawn the Fibonacci retracement like what I have done for Nifty and the 20 moving average. This is also going to take out with a gap up, and since already Bank Nifty is in a good momentum rather than Nifty, I expect this particular thing to move ahead, and there are chances again for retesting this 35,800 levels. Very good chances, and any close above this level will definitely trigger a up move for another 700 points, which is 36,500 levels. The close which I mentioned should be in a 1 hour time frame, not below that. Maybe if it is a 15 minutes time frame, or if it is a 30 minutes time frame, there are chances it will drop again. But if it is in a 1 hour time frame, definitely it will march ahead and move towards the zones of 36,500. Let us see how it works during next week. Subscribe and stay tuned in our channel for more interesting videos like this. And I have given our Telegram channel link in the description. You can also subscribe our Telegram channel to get our updates in a daily manner. Apart from this, I am planning to share some simple strategies videos as well, but when time permits, I will do it, and it will be more helpful for you for learning markets as well. Thank you all. Let's see next week.